Hey guys, what is the crack? Today we will be installing some new Mtec brakes on the GT86. We will also be installing some fresh brake pads. The discs are Mtec with a black protective coating that are dimpled and grooved for added stopping power. In terms of pads, we are installing PFC Carbon Metallic pads on the front and COSWORTH pads on the rear. Let's get after it. Okay guys, so what I've done is I've got the spacer off on the passenger side. It is right under me here. The nuts on that were a fuck to get off. They were all rusted on, not good. Okay, so I've gotten the back two nuts off down here. So now we're going to take this caliper off and we're going to rest it on this nice box here so we don't put tension on the brake cable. Okay guys, so I now got the disc off. Finally, after 10 years of work, we got it off. No, we did. It wasn't 10 years. We'll just clean this off though. But basically the issue was that it was all rusted under here and corroded, which had stuck to the back of the brake disc. All crusty under here. Seemed to say crusty a lot, to be honest. Like Crusty the Clown or some shit. So they're the two bolts that I took out. So there's one there and then one there. So you reach them from the back, which was handy enough. As long as you're going the right way. I'll let you know in a little secret, I was going the wrong way. So you would usually go lefty-loosey. So like lefty-loosey. But when you're on the back, it turns out that it's the reverse way around. So the clockwise motion is actually to loosen it. Most people in the comments will probably already know that. I did not. But it's a learning experience. We learn as we go. So the next step for me is I'm going to go and grab my other front disc. We can compare them beforehand, and then I'm going to put it on. See you in a sec. Here they are now, side by side. This is the one I took off. Bar all this damage, if you look closely. That was from me hitting it. If you look closely, it's all lipped, which is very bad for your brakes as far as I've been told. And down here, all lipped as well. Whereas there's our brand new discs. Nice and clean and fresh. Looks great, doesn't it? Can't wait to test them out, guys.
Everything, yeah.
So, if you've ever done your own brakes at home, let me know in the comment section below. How did your first time ever doing it go? Did it go as smoothly as this? Well, for me this hasn't gone as smoothly as I thought, but for you it might be different, who knows? One more corner left. I need to get the wheel off and get everything sorted, but this is how it looks. Let's check it out.
So here guys, there is our test run, you know, testing the brakes, you know. So we are actually going to start with doing a couple of what do you call it, like low speed braking.
Yeah. Well, we're about 60 and we're gonna jump.
Gonna dump it, dump. Perfect.
Drop down to second and we keep going.
The main reason for us that we're braking it all the time, well, every few minutes, it's just to heat the brakes up, you know. So
Around 60.
and 60, and perfect. And we keep going again. Awesome. So far so good. The brakes are working. We're braking.
Yeah. We're not dead.
We're not dead yet. Woohoo! Give us your thoughts, guys, in the comment down below. Oh man. Now we're getting closer to the roundabout now, so let's see if the brakes still work. Hopefully they do. Yes.
60.
Brake. Yep, we're braking. Happy days.
thanks for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoy it, make sure to go down and hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, guys, make sure to go down and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our content. And if you would like to feature in our outro, please do send in your clips of you doing donuts, burnouts, whatever you want, through to our Facebook page or our Instagram. We'll see you on the next one.
Yeah.